Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be trying to make my hair myself. So these are some of the attachments I have pre-pick. Yeah, I've picked them. So I want to try this challenge if I can make it to make my hair myself. Very short feathers, Bob Marley short feathers. So that is what I will be doing now. So without wasting much of your time, I will be sectioning out the I will be sectioning out the attachment this way so that it will be quicker and easier for me to work with. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. My people, I never knew making one's hair could be this challenging. Like, parting the hair alone is a lot. My fingers is hurting me now. Like, I don't know who sent me message. Like, I'm tired. Guys, I'm tired. I just got this challenge from my friend. She's not a hairdresser. She don't even know how to make a knot, bantu knot hair. But now she can make long hair for herself. Like, I just talked to myself, if she can do it, you can do it. Then I decided to try with short one, or she make longer ones than this. I decided to start with short ones. Guys, look. I'm tired. I'm not an hairdresser, guys. Again, this is going to be my first and last try. I'm not doing again. Like, it literally take me like since 9 o'clock till, yeah, it was because of the premier activity that I was doing that make it took so long for me to finish it. But I do take breaks in between when I was eating, relaxing myself as well. So on the front here, it was my friend that helped me to pat it, but I made it myself. You can see that they have pop on the. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've been on this journey with me, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.